You were on the scene of a robbery with a young girl.
Back again, guys. You don't know. From an ear device, you know the Irons boss. Welcome on to the Irons TV. Fresh and cool. And you're gonna say school. I wouldn't, man. Yeah. So I guess I'm going. Right now, that video here. It's a little gimmicks thing. It's different from the rest. The Rasta man here. Him have a story. A news reporter from wherever I don't know link him up and ask him a question. And ask him say yo. Him here say yo in the scene of when a little girl was being robbed. And a bag of things go on. And I could drop the video. You know what I mean? And I tell you one thing.
What take place?
I never did on the scene, I there saw chop fire grass, you know. Where you talk about now?
Well, the girl just tell us that you were here and you did not do anything.
About what?
About
As you can hear viewers and subscribers, yeah. Right now, you know. The Rasta I deny him presence. Him a deny and I say him never did on the scene. But guess what go on? I'm on that tweet. I will eat more thing behind it. So guess what go on? Just stay tuned.
She was shouting, "Oh Jesus help me, Jesus help me," and you just stand there and watch her get robbed.
No, you know. I name Rasta. And if you ball out Jesus Christ, I look to come on.
You a subscriber. I wonder if you know listen what I go on. I wonder if you learn something a while ago. Let me tell you, man. If you're in a trouble and you see a Rasta, the Rasta I try to make you know say yo, don't say Jesus Christ, because that means you know. I don't mean I call you. You have to say Rasta, man. You have to say help me Rasta. You have to say help me Selassie. So guess what go on now? She didn't know. I said, Lord Jesus Christ, help me, help me. The Rasta not gonna respond to that. Rasta even look if him see Jesus Christ, because over these years he might hear about Jesus Christ. So at that point the Rasta get to the news reporter. Who's the event?
I never see me yet. So I look if Jesus Christ go come help him. Me never know say if he want I help him, could I say Rasta? He not say Rasta. He does say Jesus Christ, so me I look for Jesus Christ too. Me wonder if Jesus Christ take it back from him or whatever, me just say look.
But favor, please, get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
You know, call my attention to nothing. Come here, I'm really saying I'm not afraid of people, you know.
Yo, if you're subscribed, I'm not lying. This I want a serious joke. Yo, the first time watch this, you know, me have watched you much time. Really have to wonder if I want to build this together or what. But yo, if I haven't build it, then creative. Because I'm sure say yo, I'll teach you something, you know, because I have Rasta man out every true, you know. Right now, you know. If you have ball out Jesus Christ, you know, better, he not look for you, know, boy. I tell that, you know. Yeah, man. So if you are a subscriber, it's just a little vibe bring to the thing, you see it? Make it get a little laughter in the morning, you know. Right, they said that. Subscribe, like, and share. I'm out.